Hello guys, welcome to this video. We are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy, and of course, as you all know, I'm going to show you guys the settings for the strategy and how the strategy works. Okay, so keep that in mind because that is what we are going to be discussing on this video. And the purpose of this strategy is for you to catch 20 to 10 candles in the boom and crash pairs. Okay, and we are only scalping. So this is an opportunity for you to get our exclusive strategy, and if you get the exclusive strategy, you're also going to be able to access our premium signal group on WhatsApp. Okay, so the link is going to be in the description down below, so you can check it out and contact us for the exclusive strategy. So the other thing is that if you're also interested in forex, or you are already trading forex, then you're going to need a good broker to be trading with, and I'm going to leave a broker in the description down below so you can check the broker out. It's going to offer you a $30 no deposit bonus, which you'll be able to trade with it. This bonus is only available for new sign up. Okay, so you can get the $30 bonus to trade without your deposit. Okay, so with that being said, let's proceed with the strategy. So the first thing we want to do is just to add the indicator up, then we dive into how the strategy works. So the first thing you have to do is just click on this icon you are seeing at the top. So this is where we are going to be adding all our indicator up. Now, talking about the indicator, so the first indicator is going to be the envelope. Now, how do we add this up? We click on this indicator in min chart F plus. We search for envelope and we click on it. Now, for the parameters, the period is 15, shift is 0, the deviation is 0.001, method is submitted, apply to close, and for the style, use any color of your choice and click on save. So that is the first indicator we need for the strategy. Now, for the next indicator, which is going to be the stochastic oscillator, how do we add it up? We click on this F icon right here on our main chart. We search for stochastic oscillator and this is the parameters. Now for the parameters, we don't need it. What we need is the levels. Now for the levels, we need the 15 and the 12 levels. Okay, so go back and click on save. Then you have your stochastic oscillator in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is going to be the money flow index. So how do we add it up? We click on this indicator with 1 plus. We search for money flow index and we click on it. Now for the parameters, the period is 45, volume is tick. So for the style, using the color of your choice and click on save. So that is the next indicator we are going to be using. Now for the last but not the least indicator, which is going to be the moving average. How do we add it up? We click on this indicator window 1 F plus. We search for moving average and these are the parameters. Now for the period, the period is 15. Period is 15. Shift is 1. Middle is exponential. Apply to close, and for the style, using the color of your choice and click on save. So that is all the settings we are going to be using for this strategy. So for the zoom level, when you zoom out completely, you are just zooming twice. Okay, so that is the zoom level you are going to be using for this strategy. Now this is recent trade from the price, as you can see. So this is recent trade from the price, and I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to catch this move from the crash 900. Now this is it right here. So if you want to trade with this strategy, you first want to see that the money flow index comes straight to the 15 levels of the stochastic oscillator. And when it comes to the 15 level of the stochastic oscillator, you want to see it break above the moving average, which happens right here. So when you break above the moving average, then the next thing we do is to look into our main chart for entries. Now what will be our entries is a candle closing above the envelope, and we want to see the envelope and the price cross above the envelope by closing with a candle. So after the candle close, we wait for another 3 candles, which is this first one, the second one, and the third one, and your entry should be at this candle right here. So you enter your trade and catch your 10 to 20 candles, and then you close your positions. Okay, that is how we trade with this strategy. So let me show you guys another sample, and I'm going to show you guys that on boom 1000 with the recent price. Okay, so as I've told you guys already, the first thing we are looking for is the money flow index to come straight to the 12 levels of the stochastic oscillator on boom indices, and on crash is going to be the 15 levels. Now when it comes to the 12 levels on boom, then we want to see it cross below the moving average, which happens right here. Okay, so once it crosses below the moving average, then the next thing we do is to look into our main chart for entries. And what is going to be our entries? Our entry should be when a candle closes below the envelope, and the envelope cross, or the price cross below the envelope line. Okay, price cross below the envelope line by this candle right here. So after this candle, we count another 3 candle, which is this first one, second one, and the third one, and we enter our trade with this candle right here. Okay, so sorry, this is a mistake trade. Okay, so we enter our trade with this candle right here. After this candle close, we wait for this first one, second one, and the third one, and we enter our trade with this candle right here. So that is the candle we are going to enter our trade with, and that is how we was able to catch all this move right here from the price. You just aim for 20 candles and close your positions. Okay, so simple as that, and that's how the strategy works. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you found this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, I don't post notification, and if I post strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.